Hello guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel once again. In today's video, I want to show you how you can use the pin bar strategy to scalp up to 15 minutes and even 30 minutes or even more, depending on how long you want to stay on the market. Alright, so what you need to do here is to first of all make sure that the market is trending in the direction of the scalps or in the direction it will favor you to scalp. That's what I mean. What I mean is if you want to scalp on crash 1000, make sure the market is trending up, is bullish. And even to scalp on boom 1000 or boom, you make sure the market is selling. See, so if you want to scalp on crash, you make sure the market is buying or is in an uptrend, a bullish trend. If you want to sell, make sure that is for boom, you make sure the market is in a downtrend. Now, scalping there is money in scalping too, guys. So a lot of people depend on scalping than even catching spikes, because even when I tell you catching spikes is very profitable, scalping is very profitable too. Only that the chances of getting some losses in scalping is higher than in catching spikes, and this mostly happens if you are entering at the wrong place. If your entry is wrong or is not at the good zone, if you just enter from anywhere, it's very dangerous to try to scalp or trade against spikes. The same thing happens for catching spikes too. If you are entering at the wrong place, you might be waiting for the spikes and your money will be going. If it happens a couple of times in a day, you might blow your account depending on your capital and the lot size. All right, so all these things depend on your entry, guys. Now, if you confirm the market is in an uptrend, now how am I sure this market is in an uptrend? Like what we are seeing here, you can see this market has been bullish. You can see we have a series of higher highs and higher lows. Look at higher highs and higher lows. Market is going up. So since the market is going up in this direction, so we see the market is in an uptrend. You must see higher highs and higher lows. I hope you understand market structure. If you do not understand market structure, I will have to do another video explaining market structure for you, so you can understand when we say we're having higher highs, higher lows, break of structure, change of character, all those things. All right, guys. So now we can see this market is moving up. So at this point, the first example is this one I drew. I should have just saw this one once when I opened the chart and I decided to draw this. You can see that market got to this place and it reversed. It got to this place again and it reversed. Mind you, from our pin bar strategy to catch spikes, this is a spike. This is a pin bar right here. So let me zoom in a little. All right, you can see that this is a pin bar right here, and immediately after this pin bar touched this same level where this one spiked, you see, after the pin bar completely formed, you had a spike here. Price got back to the same level and a spike, telling you that this is a zone. This is telling you that this place is a zone. Market got back to this same level. You see, it spiked again. The next time market got what here, it broke through it. Then it spiked, but this spike did not break down, did not go below this zone. The spike ended here and it created this pin bar. You see the pin, the wick up and the body down, guys. So immediately you see this and you see it is forming right above this zone. It is forming right above this zone where market has been, which has been a strong resistance zone here. Once it's forming here, it has become a support. Once market breaks through a support, a resistance, it becomes support. So this is not a support. You see the first one closed, this green candle closed above it. Now the red candle closes above it too, with this spike showing up, telling you that this is a pin bar. Then if you enter the trade immediately, you will catch this 15 minutes candle easily. You can catch that 15 minutes candle easily. If you buy at this point, you'll make some money. You see, it will make you, in fact, it spiked, sorry, it bought up to this point before it started spiking again. You see, so guys, immediately you notice this above the resistance zone, then you are free to buy. But let me tell you one thing, if it happened that this spike, this red candle had to come down a little down here, let's say where I'm having this, I should use a different line to show you what I mean. Like this, put this horizontal line, let's say this red candlestick got to this level, you see that it has broken through this new support resistance turn support zone, and it is down here. So you will not enter, you have to wait for a green candle that will open and close above it, a green candle that will open and close above this one that's still above this zone, then you can enter at that point. I'm not sure if you understand what I mean. Let me explain it again. If this red candle that is here did not close above this zone here, then it had to come down and close somewhere below this zone, entering the market at that time will be very risky. So what you wait is for another green candle to open and close above, with the body must be bigger than the body of this red. This is actually a bullish engulfing at this point, so you need to see another bullish engulfing that will open right below and close above also, then you can go into the market. That is it, guys. Then from here you will scalp, you can scalp up to maybe here. Then before you allow your scalping, you want to scalp up to this point, you must have confirmed that this is a resistance zone somewhere here. You must have confirmed, or there's no resistance zone anywhere around. Else, if you want to know how it works, one spike can take you back to negative values. So the best thing, even if you can take 2 candlesticks or even one, guys, one is enough. 15 minutes candlestick, 15 minutes scalping can give you some money, some good money. I'm telling you, you don't know it. 15 minutes candle can give you some good money every day. Just 15 minutes it can give you. I'll reveal something to you. In fact, you need to stay to the end of this video. There's something I have prepared. For all my loyal subscribers and viewers. You need to watch this video to the end, then I will share this thing with you. Because, okay, let me just hold on first. Let's continue. Alright, guys, so now let's look at that one. You can see another pin bar right here. Now see something that happened around this point. See this zone here, market reacted. You see, spiked here, spiked here, spiked here, spiked down. This is a zone, guys. This is a zone, guys. So at this point, you just need to bring that rectangle to, you draw it. You see, that is support, guys. This is a resistance. This is a resistance turned support. Market was reacting here. You see, spiking each time it got to this level to spike down, then it broke above it, broke and went above it, then came back and reacted with this pin bar at this point. Once you notice this, you know that the market doesn't have energy to break through this zone. The next thing is to just spike, guys. Spike here, and catch scalp 15 minutes to 30 minutes. You are look at it, scalp and retest, try to retest this zone, but it couldn't even get to the zone again. Then it bought all the way up. Why this thing is favoring us if we do it is because we are in an uptrend. The market is in an uptrend. If the market is in a downtrend, then you find this opportunity, it might be very disastrous because you might lose all of your money. And mind, it also depends on the time frame we are using, because if we are on the 4 hours time frame or 4 hourly time frame and we notice that the market is bearish on the 4 hourly time frame, if you come down to the 15 minutes time frame, you might find some areas in the market where you see some bullish trends. You find some bullish movement. During that time, you find some bullish movement, you can still scalp. but you cannot scalp on the 4-hour time frame, which you have seen that bearish movement. I hope you understand what I mean. So it depends on the time frame you are and how long you want to stay in the market. So if I come down here and I see this zone, guys, I wait for the market to break through it if I want to scalp. As it broke through this, I wait for it to try to retest. On retest, giving me this pin bar right here, guys, I enter the market here. One candlestick or two, if I have the patience, then I'm out of the market. Guys, that is how it works. That's how it works. And you can see now market, when the market got here, got to this level, it spiked down. It came, tried to buy again, it couldn't, spiked, then gave us the spike here. Then market bought again, came to this same level, it spiked down again. So telling you there is something around this zone here. Excuse me, where was I? Just one moment, please. Don't know what that. So you see, so there is something around this zone that is causing this market to reverse at this point. And if you look to the left, you also see that this place was also there's also reaction at this point also. So in that case, this one is here. What you see here is a reaction to what is actually around there. So if we get a horizontal to the rectangle to, we draw a small resistance around this point, guys. The resistance to around this point. Now you see market finally broke above it, broke through it. After breaking through this zone, it closed above it. Did not just break through. Market actually broke through here, but it did not close above it. This one did not even break through. This one broke through and closed above it. Then we wait for something that indicates it's going to reverse. See, after giving this pin bar, it's not good to go in, but later it gave another pin bar. Why I said the first one is not good, it's not close to this zone, but the next one giving us this other pin bar gave a kind of a signal the market will still be bullish. Whenever you see these two this pattern like this, the market is going to continue in that direction. So if you scalp from here, you'll make some money until maybe wherever you feel like to stopping. After after you've analyzed your market, the chart properly, you know where to scalp and stop. Else one candlestick or two is enough, guys, to make some money. How long have we gone so far? The video is too long, guys. The video is long. So in essence, what I'm trying to tell you guys is this: what you will do is whenever you want to scalp, ensure that the market is in an uptrend. If you are scalping on crash, and if you're scalping on boom, ensure the market is in a downtrend. Then just check for areas of consolidation in the market, like all these places we've marked. This is an area of consolidation here. Then you wait for market to break through it, try to retest it. After it gives you a pin bar at this point, then you go in and you catch some spike and you scalp at least one or two candles and you are out. Then you see the same consolidation around there you see here, and you enter the market, one or two candlesticks, you are out after it retests and it gives you that pin bar. So that's just it, guys. That's just it. What you need is just a consolidation. I repeat, you need to see areas of consolidation of the market. You see the areas of consolidation. Oh man, what's that? You need. Oh, sorry. Areas of consolidation in the market. After you've seen the consolidation around that zone, some consolidation, you wait for market to break through, comes back, then buys. The reverse is the case for crash and for boom. You need to see areas of consolidation, like some at the top. You need to see areas of consolidation, like somewhere here. When you see areas of consolidation, market is always when it scalps, when it sells, maybe it was selling, got here, then spiked up, came again, spiked, came again, spiked. But the next time it came, it spiked and stopped somewhere here, giving you a pin bar. Then you sell. So that's how it works, guys. Support and resistance. It works so well, guys. All right. So now one of the problems I know a lot of you might be facing is entry. You know, you've been watching so many videos about different strategies to make money, trading boom and crash, and volatility indices, and if you keep on watching different videos from January to December, you might end up achieving nothing. You can make some money today, tomorrow you blow it. You make some money in your account today, before the weekend you've lost all. Why? Because all right, guys. So I have decided to create a strategy mastery bootcamp for my loyal subscribers because of seeing your effort in keeping this YouTube channel going. You see, and I can see we are over 800 in this channel, and I think I have to do something for you guys. At least very few persons who will be serious in doing it, because it's not about watching these videos I post. You know, is how profitable are you? Because a lot of traders, what makes them successful is the way they trade. It's not just about the strategy. You can see, if you want to look out for strategies on this YouTube, you will see over 1,000 boom and crash strategies, catching your spikes, scalping, and even volatility indices. But which one have you mastered so far? Which one have you mastered? Why do you keep losing money? You keep losing money even when you've mastered the strategy? No, you've not mastered any strategy yet. You know, mastering a strategy has to do with understanding the conditions of the market, of the strategy, and also the entry. Most of us do not even have what we call conditions. We just see a strategy and we jump into start using, even in a real account, without even testing on a demo account, guys. You see, so you need to master the strategy, know the conditions that the strategy works, and know your entry and your exit. You don't just enter the market and think the market will keep on going bullish, so you have to keep on leave the trade to continue buying, and you forget that you do not nobody owns the market. Nobody owns the market. You are just a participant. The owner of the market will decide to move the market against your direction, and you end up losing the whole losing your money, or probably only you lose the whole profits you've made for the past 1 month. You can lose them even in one day, guys. So this bootcamp is tailored to ensure that you master at least a single strategy, and you stick to it. You follow the rules and the conditions and everything that has to do with the strategy, and so that you'll be trading with peace of mind, guys. A lot of people do not trade with peace of mind. You just place a trade and your mind is like, you just be watching it per minute to see how it goes, if you've lost money or not, guys. If you master a certain strategy, you know the conditions, you know your entries and your exits, I mean your take profit, and you set your stop loss, then you don't need to worry. Well, let the market do whatever it wants. Just allow the market to do whatever it wants. You take your profit when it's time, and you're out of the market, guys. So what I'm going to do for this training is it is just going to be like an over-the-shoulder coaching for us here in this group. This channel it is more like an over-the-shoulder coaching, because we'll be having an intensive 5-day training. The intensive 5-day training is going to help you guys, for those that are going to be part of it, to master the market, like master a strategy, know how and when to apply it, know how and when to get into the market and when to leave the market, guys. And you are going to benefit a lot, guys. Let me tell you, this what you're seeing here is $25. $25 is just the fee. Is a kind of a commitment fee, because people do not value free things, and I do not want to just waste my time. You see, actually I created a free Telegram group to be dropping signals, but because of my tight schedule, I have not been able to, I have not been really active, and I've decided not to drop any signal there, because I don't want to drop signal today. Tomorrow I will not drop. I just want to make sure I am done, I am free, so that I can be dropping signals on a regular basis there, or at least even if it is 5 times a week, I will drop in signals there. So I decided to drop. So this is what I'm saying. The year is almost ending. I want to help, even if it is just 10 persons from this group, the first 10 persons in this group, in this channel. I want them, the first 10 persons in this group that will want to take action for just $25. Then I'm going to give you this training. It is more like a Black Friday bonus on this channel. Come and learn a strategy. Come and master a strategy. Know how to enter the market. 1 minute. Then you will make some profit also, guys. Now, the strategy is going to be a profitable one. You master a profitable strategy, and you recover this same $25. You recover before the end of the training. You might recover more than 5 times of this $25 before the end of the training, because once we start the training, we'll also be taking trades together. I don't know if you get that. You will also be taking trades together. While we are analyzing the market, we will find setups that will work for us. We'll analyze the market together, see setups that is profitable. We all going, and you make your profit. So your $25 is nothing compared to what you're going to get. Then immediately after the $25, immediately after the training, we are going in on a challenge, $50 to $400 challenge in 14 days. We leave it at 400 as we don't want to be greedy, guys. We don't want to be greedy, so it's going to be $50 to $400 in 14 days. That's what we are going to do, and only people that are going to participate in this training will be you also joining the challenge. So you can see, so there is a chance of making up to $1,000 before the end of this year, or more, depending on your capital, guys. So it's going to be a win-win situation. It's going to be a win-win situation. For just $25, you're going to get all this. Their challenge is going to this challenge, we are going to the same strategy I'm going to teach you. Mind you, this strategy is what it will work on boom and crash. It will also work on volatility indices, all the volatility pairs on the reef. We will also be able to use this strategy to trade. So guys, I indulge you. Do not waste your time. Between now and Sunday, the training starts on Sunday, 12th of November, this 2023. 12th of November 2023. We are going to start that training. Don't wait, and don't make sure you do not miss out on it because of anything. Do not miss out. Try and make sure you are available. I have over 800 subscribers on this channel. So even if it's just 10 people who are serious that will take action, I will hit my chest and say, good, I have done something, and this I have helped some people this year. So with the $25, make sure you register, you join the training as soon as possible. Try to join on time. After Sunday, I will take off this. I will close the channel because I've created a channel for this. There's a description. There's information in the description of this video where you will find the link to the channel. After that, I will disable that link. Nobody can join again, because only the people we're having there will be those that are ready for the training. So don't be left out, guys. Join this training and see your end of year. It's going to look sweet, guys. Honestly, you're going to make money. I promise you that. I promise you, except you're not going to follow our instructions on this training. But if you know what you're about to achieve, don't let somebody force you. Just do it willingly. Go in and do something and make money and be happy, guys. So let me end this thing. This video is already too long. Have a wonderful day, guys. Peace out.